If I've said this once, I've said it a million times. I told the Magistrate Feldman, that I have a federal warrant out of Washington State. She didn't deny it, and DHS, Fabian Galata, confirmed it to my face. So did Tammy Pefle. So I'm going to say this again. I told them in court. I told the magistrate in court that I had a federal warrant. Again, she did not deny it. I then proceeded to tell her why. I explained to her that it was because I ran because I was being wrongfully prosecuted by the state of Washington after I had reported same-sex rapes of not just me, but 4 victims, me and 3 others, which potentially included children. So rather than take me into custody and send me to wherever they needed to send me in order to open this court case up so that they could prosecute whoever participated in that situation, they tried to cover it up. Now, at the time, Trump was the president. So, that should have sparked some stuff up the chain of command. So I'm sitting here, and law enforcement should be looking at this too, because that's obstruction of justice. When you know someone's a victim and there are criminal charges involved with regards to being a victim, me being the victim, me and 3 other women, and potentially how many of them had kids? Because it was reported to me that these women were raped and a couple of them had children and their clothes were changed while they were knocked out from the drugs this woman gave to them. So I want to know why they did not prosecute this case, because I filed papers regarding it in the 9th District Court way back then, which is what led to my arrest in the first place in Tacoma, Washington. So I want to know what happened. Why didn't Trump arrest the Clintons? Because I called treason and it was a good call. I didn't just call it in court. In Mark Herman's court on January 3rd, I also called it on the phone repeatedly. And I mean repeatedly and online. So why didn't Trump keep his campaign promise? Because it was a clean case. Nobody denied it. They just didn't pursue it. And I want to know why. I bet you law enforcement is going to ask why too, because that is obstruction of justice. Especially when they took my child wrongfully in order to attempt to shut me up. These people stole my property to try to shut me up. That's extortion. It's also terrorism. I'll be waiting. With God's love. God bless America. Have a blessed day. And back the badge.